Hello, friends, in this video I will talk about the Galaxy A51 new OTA update. So let's watch.
And friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, as we know that the Samsung has continued the rolling out of One UI 2.1 for all of its Android 10 compatible flagships, but now Samsung is taking the update rollout to the next level, in which all the compatible mid-range devices will get this update. And currently, the Galaxy A51 is the first Samsung non-flagship phone, which is getting One UI 2.1. The update is now rolling out in Pakistan, Russia, Afghanistan, Kenya, and some Middle East countries, which include Turkey, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt. And friends, if you are enjoying the video, then please subscribe to my channel for more tech videos of this type. Come to the topic. Friends, the Galaxy A51 is one of the latest Samsung mid-range smartphone, which was launched with latest Android 10 and One UI 2. The update includes the April 2020 security patch and sizes of around 1.25 GB. After updating to One UI 2.1, you will get an improved Arkansas emoji, updated gallery app, improved Samsung keyboard, and some new features like music share and quick share. Not all One UI 2.1 features seem to have made it to the Galaxy A51. Camera features like single take, pro mode for video, night hyperlapse mode, my filters, and selfie tone seem to be missing from One UI 2.1 for the mid-range phone. You can download the update through FOTA by going to software update menu in settings. Otherwise, you can also update your phone by flashing the latest One UI 2.1 firmware. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy A51. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Peace out.